Let's go. Please, please, please.
Next time I see my video on YouTube, it's gonna be that.
This is my friend, Mikey over
That's
here.
Mikey right there,
Say,
man.
yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Mikey here doesn't like Britney Spears music.
Uh-huh.
Not a big fan. Mikey, how come you're not talking to us?
This is an interview. Pop.
Oh.
Ooh.
So now you're cheating up. No, I'm just kidding.
You're whack.
We're not bad. We're just, having fun over here.
What is this car?
More juveniles.
Why didn't you go write them up like you did to us?
Me and Annie.
Wait, man.
Responsible over here.
Record night. Mikey over here. Mikey.
Oh, Mikey, back to Mikey. Yeah. So,
Yo, Mikey.
he's like falling asleep on us, man. Oh, hell no.
Mikey, are you waiting till our parents come or something?
Yeah.
Mikey,
So,
we're gonna put that on
he's
YouTube.
like,
You
peace.
can search it up.
Yeah.
My YouTube thing is Wild Thing by me. Yeah, you can search my channel up and yeah, you'll be there.
Yeah.
On MySpace.
On the MySpace, on the
Wait, but you're like recording on the floor.
Oh, shit. That's funny.
Yeah.
We should go to
This is
Target.
my dog, Mikey. We just met him because, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I got you on camera.
This is Michael, right? Michael? What's your name then? Mikey.
Mikey, there it is.
Mikey.
Mikey.